but very less environment I can put 1. And the there is nothing. So 1 C. We say maintenance inspection and inspection. And then you can say spell kit in place, right? Yeah. That's correct. Forward is 1. This is a C. This will become B. Okay. This is okay. We are green. So now going forward, what is they don't have work at height also, right?
They don't have work at
personal working heights. I remove it.
No, they don't have work.
So
there is no high crane or something. There is no. Okay.
Yes, I would say.
What about the lifting? Anything? How you lift the fans? How you lift the fans?
This with the higher crane.
With hydra or forklift.
This
Truck mounted crane. Okay.
Yeah. So I mean, even excavation. So they are not going more than 1 meter deep. So this is not applicable.
Excavation, yeah, okay.
1 meter deep not applicable. Overhead equipment, they are saying no crane, no forklift. So I remove it.
Right. Overhead, that's what there is half crane there. Only this is no vehicle mounted crane.
Yeah. So
it's a small crane, I think, won't be, but
let us make it. Let us
put it. Because if something is there, we'll use it. It will not have any problem.
What a handy drop object, and this one.
Use the forklift or what you call the hiccup crane?
Hydra, we say hydra.
Truck mounted crane.
Okay. So this can happen. Injury can happen. Fatality will not happen. So I will remove it. I will put 3. I will put 3. See. So you have WMS, conductor, trained staff, inspection, trained crane operator. We say driver. Trained operator and riggers. Lifting plan will not be applicable. Supervisory operation, warning signboard, safe verification, we go. So we say PPE, medical facility, and existing ERP, and construction ERP. Correct?
Yes.
So I would put 3, I will put B. Correct. Below grade, so they are saying no excavation more than 1 meter. So I am keeping this one. Huh?
Okay.
Foundation. Excavation. So no major concern. And are you expecting dewatering?
No.
No dewatering, right?
What is the water table there? Water table? Water table? Water level down, water table.
Yes, water level.
Water level.
Operation.
Water level to the right.
3. You have a trial pit, you have underground services, you have got WMS, trained staff, this one. This you have already done it. And this is part of the scope, emergency, construction emergency, ERP, medical facility, this one, I will put 3B. This is also okay. No problem. So object under tension, there is no object under tension. So on land transportation, this is important. There are truck and there are other vehicle. So land transportation are the personnel and equipment, material and construction resources and soil. Soil remove, right?
Soil, no soil. Because one is the soil and subka and soil. Because they will remove the subka and other thing and bring the fresh soil also in. So subka.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, that's what. No, yes.
Subka soil. So road accident can happen. Loss of equipment and injury.
No, only accident, right?
Accident, yeah, I can say. Normally we say loss of control.
Loss of control is a threat, right?
Accident, vehicle accident.
Yeah, that's it. Thing is, threat is coming in the event.
This document.
Yeah, that is a document.
Yeah,
and then the cause is loss of control.
Cause is loss of control. And vehicle accident.